Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to change shipping address in Best Buy. So please watch to the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Best Buy, you can use the link in the description and you may get discount and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the Best Buy website, what you're going to do is to go to your profile right here. And after that, just go down until you find account settings right here. So after that, you will be redirected to this page where you can see your info, and under your info, just click address and you will see your existing address that you add previously. And yeah, that's it. So this is my previous address, and if I want to change it, I can just click change button right here, and I can now have an option to change something in my address. And if I'm done, I can just click save, and yeah, that's it. So my shipping address is changed, and also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.